Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Philips BT1215 trimmer, which is very good trimmer. I'm using this trimmer from past 3 days, and it has got stainless steel blades and with DuraPower technology, and if you charge it once you can use it for 60 minutes, and there is a USB charging is also available. You'll get small wire with this, by that you can charge it easily with a USB port, or else you can port it into your normal mobile charger. By that you can charge it with your normal mobile charger also. I will leave the link in the description. By that you can purchase this trimmer, and I got this for a great price as well. I will leave the link in the description, and you will get 4 stubble and beard combs with this. From 0.5 mm to 7 mm you can use this, and if you charge for 8 hours you will get 60 minutes of usage. So hope that guys you like this video. Please comment and subscribe for my channel for more tech and auto related updates. And I will give the user review about this trimmer in future videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot.